thank you for joining my tutorials. Today we'll see how to prepare NDVI map using Landsat 8 data and Sentinel 2A data, and we'll see the difference between both the images. So first we'll see what is NDVI actually. NDVI is a dimensionless index that describes the difference between the visible and near infrared reflectance of vegetation cover and can be used to estimate the density of a green on an area of a land. So this is the NDVI formula, NIR minus rate divided by NIR plus rate. So what is the NIR means? This is the reflection in the near infrared spectrum, and this is the red band. So these two bands we need to use to prepare our NDVI map, and this is the band for the this is the band ratio. Sorry, this is the band for the Landsat 8 data set. So here you can able to see there are actually 11 bands are there, and from that we require this NIR band and red band. Okay, so band number 5 and band number 4 from this Landsat 8 data set we require, and from the Sentinel 2A data set, so we require this NIR means band number 8, that is a 10-meter resolution, and a band number 4 that is also 10-meter resolution. So we'll use this higher resolution data, and we'll also use this 30-meter data. So this is the 30-meter data having a Landsat, and 10-meter is having a Sentinel data. So we'll use both the data and we'll see the difference. So I have downloaded this Landsat data set from the USGS Earth Explorer. So how to download the data, we can see our previous videos. So in that you can able to see the Landsat 8 data, and in that Landsat 8 data set we have actually 11 bands, but from that we require band number 4 and band number 5 to prepare our NDVI map. So similar way we have data set for this Sentinel 2A. So here also we have data set. Okay, so here also we have band number 8. Okay, this band number 8 and band number 4 we are going to use. So first we'll prepare from the Landsat data set. So I will go to the data set. So NDVI, and this is the Landsat 8 data. LC8 stand for Landsat 8. Okay, so band number 5, and this is the band number 4. Okay, I have two images. This is the band number 5 and band number 4. So band number 5 is our NIR, and this is band number 4 is our red. So we'll go to the R toolbox. This Landsat data set is atmospherically corrected. So if you want to do atmospheric correction, we can you can also do, but here this is already atmospherically corrected, so I will use direct formula here. So we'll go to the spatial analysis tool and map algebra and raster calculator. So in the raster calculator, I will use float here. Float. So here is the float. So the formula as we have discussed here. Okay. So NIR minus rate divided by NIR plus rate. So this formula we're going to use. So float. After that, this band number 5. So band number 5 minus band number 4, again divided by, take float, band number 5 plus band number 4, and I will provide so let me save this in a worm folder. So here I will save as a NDVI from the Landsat data set, and just click on, I will add .tif, and I will save, and I will click on OK. So I am preparing this from the Landsat 8 data set. Similar way we'll prepare from Sentinel data set. So here if you'll see, the range of NDVI is -1 to +1. So higher the value of NDVI means positive value of NDVI referring the healthy and dense vegetation, where the negative value or lower NDVI value shows the less vegetation. So this we'll see here. So the NDVI is ready. So just right click, go to properties. So I will use color band here. So where there is a this reddish color, so this area is having a highest vegetation area. Okay, this area is having highest vegetation. We can also check by using the base map. We can add the imagery here. So I will uncheck this. So now if I will uncheck this, you can able to see in the Google also, this area is showing highest vegetation. This area is indicating highest vegetation. So where there is a lower value is indicating that water is there. This color indicating water, this color indicating, this green color indicating the water is there. So this way we can able to prepare the NDVI map from Landsat data. So similar way we'll prepare from Sentinel data, and the Sentinel data will be having a higher resolution as compared to this. So I'll go to this, then this granule, and this is image data. So band number 8, just wait, band number 8 and band number 4. So band number 8 and band number 4 we are going to use here. Here if you'll see this in the Sentinel data, band number 4 is red and band number 8 is NIR. So just I'll go to raster calculator. I will use float. So this is band number 8 NIR minus red divided by, again float, NIR plus red. So NDVI Sentinel, I will add here. So just click on save and just click on OK. So NDVI is ready. Just right click, properties. Just go to classified or stretch. Just change color from here, apply and OK. So now what happened to NDVI? Okay. So now if you'll see from this NDVI, we are getting the same result as we are getting from Landsat. But the thing is that this is little bit higher resolution. If I'll zoom it here, okay. So any particular places, if I'll zoom it here, so if you'll see in the Landsat dataset, you can able to see pixels here. And if you'll check here, so you can see little bit higher resolution, this Sentinel data. So this way you can able to see the changes, because when you will see here, and you can see the difference in 30-meter and 10-meter resolution. Here also you can able to check in the properties, the Sentinel image is having 10-meter resolution, and the Landsat data is having here also, you can able to see this is the 30-meter. So it is better. Sentinel data is a much higher resolution as compared to this Landsat data set. So this way you can able to prepare NDVI map. So these values are not showing similar similar result because they are not having the same date. They are having some different date, and because of that these changes are showing in the value, and they are not having the same extent also. Okay, the extent of both the images are not same. So that's why we are seeing these changes here. So this way we can able to prepare our land use. This way we can able to prepare our NDVI map very easily. So if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section, or also you can mail us. Thank you.